Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now this does not seem that strange or far-fetched. The fact that people are now saying the death of Phillip Paulwell's baby mother and his young daughter was a ritual. Now, keep in mind, law enforcement has confirmed that the mastermind, Yoda Bradshaw, flew to Jamaica a day after hearing about the child with the plan to take the life of the mother and the child. What kind of wicked person do that? So for now hearsay, this was a sacrifice. It not seem much stranger than that. I'm going to hear what on and they will continue the reasoning. Look and listen.
People, imagine the boy them kill the woman people and the baby people can't even do nothing. The boy them shoot the baby 4 times people. Cause see the one no child the baby get shot. The girl get shot people 2 times and they shot 4 times. And when the blood clot believes are the sacrifice thing that people, the woman get 2 shots, 1 in her head and 1 in her chest. And the baby get 4 gunshot people. I want to believe that people. Me have to pardon myself judge. So check out people. The girl come down on the 6. And a 6 shot kill the blood clot 2 people them. And unnecessary sacrifice that. And the girl decides to go kill the pitney them on the 9th. Turn 9 upside the down people and where you get with 9. Check it out the people. The girl flying on the 6. Baby get 4 shots. Can't even walk and talk but no. Get 4 shots. And the mother of the baby get 1 in her chest and 1 in her head. And then on top of that people, you carry the pitney them and they carry the pitney and the woman on the hill and go burn the pitney them people. Then now, Phillip Paulwell now, they were going to plan to assassinate him. And then I hear say Phillip Paulwell was dead. And people say, yeah man, I kill the people them. I can't bear the pressure and go. People, let me tell you something. If Phillip Paulwell did have anything to do with these people, I don't know the emperor, I'm a big friend. And Phillip Paulwell can't pay me because I'm richer than Andrew Wellness. And I haven't seen Phillip Paulwell talk to Phillip Paulwell or nothing. Because when you're investigating a crime scene, people, you don't friend nobody in the crime scene. You don't talk to nobody as such in the crime scene, people. What you're going to do, you're going to do your independent investigation. And only know people, so when the emperor go investigate things. See that people, all the police are afraid to go up on the investigation scene, people. And what the girl do, people, the girl hire a different hitman to go kill the hitman. You see people? So I want to family them to the people. Remember you know, the boy who assassinate the woman and the pitney was also her cousin. Same like how up at Donnelly case, the security boy was my girl cousin. And all of a sudden him disappear. But you can't find nothing about him. I want if I assassinate him. Because he was the ugly man who said yes. And me call my cousin and let her in the apartment to kill Donnelly. So all of a sudden he missing people and nobody can find him. And then poor Noel, they in a jail of rotten people for a crime that he never do. But what happened? I don't know them convincing people to go help clean up the crime scene. And Noel made that jail innocent people but not fully innocent because him got help the baby mother clean up crime scene. But Peter Paulwell, Phillip Paulwell people wasn't doing it. Imagine people. Imagine people. I mean, you're none out there look out against this. But you know what? Crucify Phillip Paulwell will have nothing to do with it. People, I don't know 100% what Phillip Paulwell angle this to people, but I can tell you he's not angling it good. Because the woman who gone to jail, people, him and her never depend on 100% people. But try and be a mother and she have her look at money, people. They look at poor girl people now. Phillip Paulwell love she because she not bully him. She not try to run him life. She just keep him good and keep him warm, people. So him lose she, people. Plus him lose him daughter, people. And people, Paulisha favor Phillip Paulwell. The big nose, the eye, the everything, the look of baby have. So Phillip Paulwell never need that for the DNA. Only remember that Phillip Paulwell asked her DNA for the hype. And remember, people, see that my baby mother can drive out any one of my car them right now. The head of my security people can drive out any one of my car. Because what happened, them have access to my vehicle, people. The Secretary of State people can drive any one of my car, them people. When you have businessman people are saying, go, Phillip Paulwell have enough vehicle, and not like a one vehicle man of people. So all the time, oh, she drive out the man car. Phillip Paulwell have tens of vehicle, people. See it here? Me and the Land Cruiser here now, people. And sometimes you see JJ have the Land Cruiser. Any one of my BabyM0ther can come borrow the Land Cruiser, people. Any one of my BabyM0ther can come borrow the Land Cruiser. So what the girl do, people? Remember that she come from foreign. So she doesn't have a car for herself. So of course she can't drive Phillip car. Any one of them what she feel like. So what the girl do? She use over amount of jealousy. Plus different from that. She get a forgot to do the sacrifice. Can I tell already people so I'm about to not believe when the emperor predict things. Left for the comment and tell me for foolishness me talk. See him like coming to tell Tony Young. I RFM said them going to kill him. Yes man. I see them kill the boss at RFM there. And then I'm going to tell him son. Say him forget a power ring or get a guard ring. And him son still laugh off of me to people. And see there. Chad dead like a dog, people. And no autopsy can tell what killed Chad. Them who be Chad, people. So people, I don't know if it's salty, but on the social them burn the people and the woman. So check it out, people. The girl flying on the 6. And the 6. Left for the comment and tell me for stupidness. The pity get 4 shot, people. The big 4 shot. And the woman get 2. 6 gunshot that fire, people. That's why make sure the baby get 4 shot. And then the woman get 2 shot, people, in her head. In her chest. 1 in her chest and 1 in her chest and 1 in her head. So 6 shot that in all, people. And then they were killed on the 9th. And if you turn 9 upside down, people, what do you get? And then when they check the 6 shot, people, the girl come down on the 6 and killing on the 9th. And if you turn 9 upside down, what do you get when you turn 9 upside down? So the next robbery are 2 people. The tollway. Now people, the tollway people are the next robbery. Cause you cut your people yard, them got Portmore now, no people. You got your yard at Portmore now, people. You got your yard at Portmore. How much money that? How much? When you take US? Or $20 US you take? Alright, you take $20 US. Alright, hold this. $20 US and take it. $100 again. Oh, you have different color. I check say, see that people can, you don't know the money nowadays, people. See that? The $20 them look the same, the $100 them look the same. Alright, so $20, we find $20. Hold this. See people, you can't know them. Them US money are different from the Jamaican. Why I don't know people. $100,000 of people them use and kill the poor local man. Yeah, son. $20.
If you're new to the channel, there's a pass through. Click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, Put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and bust a share. And tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion. The comment section 24/7, it never lock it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, the comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours, I want to live, love, and prosper. I want to stay tuned.